Hi, my name is Aysam.
My name is Wasim,
And we are
we're
the
the co-founders of
Distichain.
Distichain. We have between us about 45 years of experience working for multinationals and starting businesses in the field of consumer goods as well as electronics.
We have managed large teams for well over 10 years each, with hundreds of employees. We have witnessed transformation firsthand in our time with Nokia, where we saw the evolution of the smartphone and the apps generation.
That gives away our age.
In view of our focus on the commercial side of the business and the transformation management, we made sure that we are surrounding ourselves with a strong technical team and a set of advisors that add a lot of value, be it on the legal or on the technical side.
So in Distichain we tackle B2B e-commerce, which is a huge potential of $6.6 trillion globally, which is largely untapped. If we try to look at why it's untapped, there are three main issues: lack of trust, buying and selling with somebody you do not know over the internet is always difficult, and today the security is not there to protect us. The cost of doing business is also a barrier to entry. Today, platforms take anywhere between 5 and 15% as commissions, and that does not work for B2B business. The other element is that even if we're able to agree on a transaction, everything then goes offline and goes back to email, and is a very tedious and heavy process and costly process for us, for companies, if they were to do it in today's world. With Distichain, we try to resolve these issues by offering security, a simplification, and empowerment for B2B e-commerce. Let me explain. Distichain allows trading companies to trade with each other, offering each other open credit terms, 35 days, 40 days, whatever works commercially. They don't have to worry about being paid or not, because Distichain's technology actually links the transactions to trade finance put on the platform. This also allows us to not only give that security, but to give the security to the finance institutions by giving them details of each transaction that their customers are doing. We also simplify the whole shipping process by integrating into logistics, insurance, and inspection providers, where you're able to do the whole shipping process from one screen, which eliminates the need for multiple emails and multiple transactions, which are costly and prone to error. With all the transactions that are happening on the platform, we are able to gather data in real time. This data can be given to our users in order to help them make their decisions and empower their decisions in order to improve their inventory management and maximize their profitability. If we look at where we are today, Distichain is ready, it is up and running. We are now building an ecosystem around it, and we plan to launch the pilot POC in January next year. Based on that, we will launch the first category in March, April next year, whereby we will be in the consumer electronics category across multiple territories. Once we have market fit and we see everything is running smoothly and we go on our growth path into multiple categories and a global reach. How do we make money? We basically take 0.3% trade commission on all transactions done using Distichain's technology, and that is much more effective than the 5 to 10% that is currently out there today. We also share revenues with our service providers because we're giving them a lot of business, and we have a consultancy and analytics fees based on the data that we have on our platform that can be shared with people and companies that find this data valuable.
We start for the opportunity to present to you, and we hope to have the further opportunity to give you a lot more details about Distichain in the near future.
Looking forward to see you soon.